Hey, we're back again. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And a quick update on my testing of this emergency radio. The model number is HY-018WB. You can find these on Amazon for $20. The red is a few dollars more. Anyway, I was trying to do the solar charging test, and I was a little skeptical about the way I was going to do it. I was trying to use this lamp right here as a source of sun because there's going to be cloudy all day today. And I let it sit under the lamp for 4 hours and it wouldn't even turn on. So that's not the right type of light to charge the batteries using this little solar array, apparently. I figured that was the case, but I was hoping I could get away with that. So tomorrow is supposed to be sunny again, and we'll take this and we'll stick it in the window and let it get some indirect sunlight and let it charge. I'm going to go for 6 hours and see if that works. Much better than trying to use a lamp. Probably not the right degrees Kelvin or whatever you call it. Anyway, that's it. Did I have anything else to report? I think I may have confused you a little bit about the batteries you can put in here. And let me just show you, where's the battery compartment? I know it's, oh, here it is. You can put 3 AAA. A couple of times I think I said AAA. I wish they were AA, which gives you a lot more power than AAA, but they're only AAA. So that's what you use in here as another source of power. You can have, although the radio is completely dead, you can have both lamps, both this one and this pop-up lamp, which neither one comes on right now, and the radio on all at the same time. So I'd clarify that. And that's about it. So that's it. We'll have to change our method on the solar charging testing. Have a great day. Bye-bye.